You're now on the last video of the 6-part series on creating breeding trial experiments. It's now time to specify the site where our plots will be planted. To do that, we must first manage our occurrences. An occurrence is an instance of the experiment associated to a specific site that includes some or all of the entries included in the original experiment entry list. Breeding trial experiments will usually have more than one occurrence to test the same set of entries in multiple environments and stress conditions. Here, the system automatically created the occurrences for our experiment, as specified during Step 3, Design. The occurrence name is also provided, but we can still modify this to something more meaningful. Let's keep in mind that we can add occurrences even after the breeding trial is finalized and created. Next, we need to identify the site for each occurrence. We can do this one at a time or in bulk. We can also use the Site List button on the toolbar. Take note that site lists are prearranged with data managers. The field, description, and contact person data fields are not required, but we are encouraged to fill them out. Let's save these details to move to the Review tab. Our last step is to review and finalize the details of our breeding trial experiment. The data browser is divided into two sections. The top section shows us our entry list, while occurrences are displayed at the bottom section. We can see more details of the occurrence by clicking the expand icon. If the Complete Creation button is disabled, it means that we have one or more entries whose package sources are not yet selected or unavailable. Simply go back to the Entry List tab to update this. If no other changes are needed, we can go ahead and complete the creation of our experiment. The page refreshes to the Experiment Creation Data Browser, where we can now see our experiment listed in the system, with the status created. That's the last step in creating breeding trial experiments in EBS. You can now move to the Experiment Manager tool or explore other experiment types.